Hey guys, it's Thursday, April 16th, and we've got two things going on today. Our figurative language today is going to be practicing our personification. Yesterday we took notes on that. Personification is giving human characteristics or traits to objects, such as moving or talking or feeling, okay, or thinking even. And our practice assignment today is going to be just identifying whether or not the sentence has personification in it. So the directions say read each sentence below. If the sentence uses personification, you're going to write personification. If it does not use it, then you're going to write none. Okay, so our first example: the sad clouds were ready to spill their tears upon the funeral procession. Okay, first thing I see is sad. That is a human emotion. Clouds are not human. They're not an animal, so clouds cannot feel. And also clouds do not have tears, right? That's another human thing. So I would definitely say that this is personification. Our second example: the dog barked loudly at the squirrel, which quickly ran up the tree. I don't see anything that is out of the norm, right? Dogs bark, yes they do. Squirrels run, yep, I've seen that happen. So that is none. Okay, you've got 4 practice sentences today. We will check them tomorrow. Okay, so that is your figurative language practice for today. Let's jump into Number the Stars. Today is chapter 6. You have the choice again whether to listen to it or read it. And then today you do have questions, and questions are over chapters 5 and 6. And we start with 5 true and false questions. After you answer that and click next, there are, I believe, 2 short answer questions for you to answer. And make sure you write complete sentences. Start with capitalization, end with punctuation at the end. Okay? And as always, if you've got any questions, please let me know. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.